Security, security, security. Now you might be wondering to yourself, security for what? I mean, security for your home, security for your office, security for your money vault, and security for your shop. Imagine security for everything. Security, security.
Security.
Come on. Kick that off. No insecurities. Pickers got you. Pickers.
Yes, pickers.
Yes, do embrace the heart of picking. I got an alarm system. This, as you see, is an alarm system. And I have a sensor too. This is a sensor which comes with the alarm system, so they come in a pair. Alright, so as you can see, this alarm system, it can be used on a door or window or money vault, anywhere you want to really put security. It comes with a tape, sticking tape, both of them, even this one as well, the on and off switch. Yes, as you can see, it's just working perfectly, so it's not faulty. Alright, we have the cells back here. It comes with 3 cells, as you can see. Alright, let's pack it back. Alright, so it's just like that. So when you're installing it, it has to look something like that, exactly like that, not something like that. Yeah, as you can see, I've already installed it on my door, and let's try.